Okay, 93 40th anniversary LT1. Standard, all standard, no stock changes or anything. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys the system is now idling at about 900. Left intake 125, right intake 126. It's closed loop, running about 210 because I've been out running around. The left O2 sensor is going up and down like it should. I'm just going to zero in right there. See how it drops all the way down. And my main problem was the O2 sensor on this side over here was stuck at 400. It would only move from about 430 to 460. Now, when it's good and hot, it goes all over. The right BML 125, left BML 124, 122. I'm going to turn this up a little. AF has learned. Injector 1 fault, no. Injector 2 fault, yes. And I'm trying to figure out what injector 2 fault is, if that's the right side or if that is the secondary injection system. You see the throttle's opening all the way. By the way, it's great to be able to check that. When I first got the car, it was not going all the way. It was only going about 80%. The low left BMW is going back and forth. The right BMW idle air is 50, 60. The IAC is going back and forth like it's supposed to when I'm revving it up. The lean IAC is pretty much steady. That's the learned IAC. Coolant's 215 because I'm just sitting here now. The fans are on because I have the air conditioner on, and in a second you'll see them go off because I just turned them off. Okay, see, request no, request no. They're both no. The map, and by the way, the RPMs are still holding at about 940. Barometer is 102. Battery's 13.6, nothing high. Spark events is 24 up to 40 something. My prom ID is 4691, and the EGR has been going up and down, and also the air control solenoid was going DIV, still is. The accelerator inlearn is going back and forth, yes and no. No QDM faults, and that's pretty much it. Anyway, I wanted to show you, the main thing was that if your what do you call it, O2 sensor is not swinging very much, okay, it's just staying like at 400 or 450 or something like that, you definitely need to change that out. So it's idling perfect now. And this, by the way, this is an old Snap-on mt2500 with the GM92 troubleshooter and the 80.5 to 93 cartridge, so I can run my 93 on it. 110,000 miles on this, 111,000 miles on this unit, and I'm really liking it. And just thought I'd throw this on here, guys. Again, if anybody can tell me what that secondary injection fault is right there, I would appreciate it. Thanks.